How to close Halifax account online. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can close your Halifax account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now, here you can see if you want to close your account, then your account must meet all of the requirements that are written over here. The account balance is 5 or less. You have another account with us to transfer the closing balance. It has a variable interest rate. Now, if your account fulfill all of the requirements, then there are basically two ways to close your account. The first one is through the mobile banking app, and the second one is through online banking. So for the mobile banking app, sign in and select the three dots next to the account you want to close. Then just select close account from the drop down menu. If you have any money left when you close your account, they will ask you which account you would like to transfer to. So it means that if you have something in your account and you want to basically close your account, then you can transfer that specific amount to any of your other accounts. And similarly for the online banking, just sign in and select more action next to the account you want to close, and then just select account services and then select close account. So this is basically how you can close your Halifax account. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be with you in the next one. See you soon. Bye. I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.